Well, hello everyone. David Cook, D'Franco Painting. As you can see, Britain is rolling away. So we actually are painting this backsplash. This was like a, I don't know, fieldstone, gray. What color would you call it, Britain?
Tannish.
Tannish.
Before. Like antique tannish.
Yeah, trying to think. I don't know. Like, think of a Italian type of a stone type thing. That's what was here before. We repainted all the kitchen cabinets in here. They're still waiting for their island, which they're really thrilled about. Not so much. But they were talking about initially taking out the backsplash, so we suggested painting it to save the expense. And as soon as we gave them that option, it was huge because $600 to repaint a backsplash versus a couple $1,000 plus to get it torn out and put a new one on. So just another way we can help you love the space you're in, using what you have, just making a couple accents and a couple changes, and I think it looks great. I think we have a picture of this beforehand, so I'll make sure I tag the picture on there as a before and after. But I think it was awesome. Nice job written. You guys have a great day and God bless.